y'all. Welcome to Whipping It Up with Cherie. You see it. You see it. I don't even have to say nothing. Everybody can see that that's cheese. Y'all, this is a requested video and I'm so excited it was requested to me. So I said, you know what? I'm going to do it. I'm going to have fun doing it. And I'm going to let the people know what they want. So this video is about shredding your own cheese. Oh, listen, once you start shredding your own cheese, you ain't going to ever buy no more of that bagged cheese that you find in the grocery store. Listen, it's full of some sort of wax on it. It keeps it from melting half the time. Um, this is so better. You just got to see it for yourself. So I got 3 different kind of cheeses, but they all are the same type of cheese. You see it. Cheddar, cheddar, cheddar. Mild cheddar, aged 11-year-old Wisconsin cheddar cheese. Y'all, I'm telling you, this right here is a game changer. I love this stuff. So I keep a lot of cheeses in my refrigerator. And so I said, you know what better way than to chop up some cheddar cheese. So let's go. Okay, so I got my cheeses unwrapped as you see. I'm going to push them out the way. I should have put a paper towel up under my cutting board. So we're going to start with the 12-year aged cheddar cheese. And what you want to do, you want to cut it down into smaller blocks because y'all, we're not chopping this up by hand, okay? This is going into my little handy dandy food processor. Y'all are not going to believe how quick and easy it is to shred your own cheese, okay? I'm telling y'all, you won't ever do it another way. So I'm just cutting them down into smaller blocks so it's easier. So I'll bring y'all back when I'm finna get ready to put my food processor together, okay? Okay, y'all, so I wanted to show y'all how I put my processor together with the attachment that we are going to need. You're going to need this attachment that comes with it. This is the Hamilton Beach processor, and it fits on top of this stick. You want to be careful because this thing is sharp. Once you get the blade in, go ahead and put the lid on. Take the little chute out, that right there. And we're going to get started. Y'all ready? All right. Now, this is going to get kind of loud, so I'll probably try to mute the sound out when I get started. So let's y'all see how fast that was? Y'all see that? Oh my goodness. So I'm going to show y'all what I'm going to do now. All right, y'all. I'm going to chop up my last bit. Let's go. I want y'all to see how much cheese we got from chopping it up ourselves. Okay, y'all. So I got all the cheese in my little bowl. Look at how much we got. And I'm going to show y'all what we got. Alright, so I got my little measuring cup here. And so mostly when we go to the store and get cheese, is what they say, 2 cups, 3 cups in the bag. I got my little Ziploc bag right here. So this is 1 cup. Yeah, I'm telling you, you get so much out of chopping it up yourself. This is 2 cups right here. 2 cups in a bag is probably about $2.77, $3 at Walmart. This is 3 cups, roughly. We got 4 cups. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, it's so much better to do it yourself. It's so much more fun. You can get the kids in the kitchen to help you. Long as you got a good chopper, you good to go. That's 5 cups. And then this is probably we got about 6 cups of cheese, y'all. 6. This is perfect. You can keep it in the refrigerator or you can freeze it. I normally freeze mine if I don't have any dishes to cook that's going to require cheese. Breakfast, eggs, quesadillas, mashed potatoes, rice, ramen noodles, grilled cheese sandwich, hamburger sandwich. Y'all, shred your own cheese up. I'm telling you, you go ahead and put it in the Ziploc bag, push it down to push all that air out, and you got your own airtight cheese with the zipper. What's so different about this? The only thing that's different, you don't have all of that preservatives and whatever they put on it, the wax. You got your own airtight shredded cheese that you can use in your casseroles, and it's so good. Oh my gosh, let me taste it. I forgot to taste it. I just want y'all to see how easy it is to make your own shredded cheddar cheese or any cheese. Y'all got to go buy y'all a block of cheese today. Pull out your food processor and make you and your family your own cheese. This is going to melt down perfect. To my subscriber, thank you so much for requesting this video. That's why I say you never know who don't know how to do something or who want to see you do it. So this was a perfect challenge. I needed some cheese anyway because I just keep them in blocks in my refrigerator and I cut it down with my knife. So thank you to my subscriber. Thank you. This is 6 cups of cheese. I'm gonna put some pictures at the end of the video so y'all can see how much money you're saving chopping it up yourself, because this is 6 cups. When I buy the 2 cup or the 2.5 cup bag at Walmart, it's exactly like $2.77. It may have went up to $2.97 for 2 cups of cheese, y'all. 2. So if this is 6, that's almost $3 times 3. So that's almost $10 for 6 cups of cheese. When we made it ourselves, and it was so much more cheaper to shred it up yourself, okay? So y'all think about that when you are buying cheese next time. Buy the brick, buy the block, do it yourself. Use your food processor, okay? Y'all have a good night. See y'all next time. Bye.